Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Volvo V60. So from any screen, the nav button is the second down on the left here. So if you click the nav button the first time, it brings up the map there. If you click it again, it brings up the menu, set address. So we want to set address. Click OK. And then just wind that down. You've got city and street. We'll take it down to city. Click OK. That should bring up, yeah, there you go. It's brought up the thumb wheel, and also here, there you've got postcode. So we want to click postcode. And then we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Whateleydale, Preston, PR. So once you've selected the letter, just click OK. And now we need to go to numbers. It realizes you need to go to numbers, and it's defaulted to 1, 2, 3. I've just got to click OK there to accept it. And then PR5, 4, and then we need to go back to ABC again. So it's defaulted to ABC. We've just got to click to select it. JS. PR5 4JS, again we've got to select it by clicking OK here. Great Britain, PR5 4JS, Chorley Road, set direct route to destination, set single destination, there you go. Click OK.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
It's saying that because we're sat on the forecourt here, but to be more precise, more accurate, you can put a number in of the road you're going to. We're Grosvenor Garage, so there's no number for this, and I couldn't put one in, but that's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo. It's not intuitive the first time you do it, and it had me flummoxed to start off with. So from any screen, if we click telephone, which is the second one in from the top left, telephone, you see there, no phone connected, OK to connect, but you don't want to connect a phone. Anyhow, you've got to click OK to connect. And now it's brought up a list of phones that are already connected to the vehicle. So then just turn it down to my phone there, click OK, and there you see you've got connect for phone or delete device. So just turn that to delete device. Do you want to delete Barry's iPhone? OK to delete, exit to cancel, OK. And there it's gone. But you have to go through the steps as if you were going to connect a phone when you actually want to find it and delete it. So as I say, it did have me flummoxed to start off with. That's how you do it anyway. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Volvo V60. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on. Then over to the unit, you've got my car there and telephone next one in, so we click telephone. It comes up no phone connected or OK to connect. Now at first you assume OK to connect, well, it's OK to connect a phone, but what you actually have to do is click the OK button to connect. And the OK button is here, so click OK. Then search new phone, click OK again. It's now searching for a phone. We'll just wait to see which it comes up on first. There you go. It's found my phone there. So I need to turn this down to Barry's iPhone and click OK, and then connect for phone, click. Connecting Barry's iPhone. Does the numeric passkey match with Barry's iPhone? 700 245, 700 245, pair, and click OK to confirm there. Do I want my contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will. I won't be using the car again, but you will. So you click allow there. And that's it showing there, my V60 connected. The other great thing with this vehicle is it's got Bluetooth audio streaming, and the sound system is really, really good too. So if I go to my iTunes here, and then I'll just turn this down, but click play, so it will be playing through the system here. Now what we have to do is go to media, and it's connecting to my phone, but also it may not come up straight away. What you may have to do is click media, and then as you can see there, you could have something else selected, a disc, USB, iPod, HD, but you want Bluetooth, so click OK to connect. I'll just turn this down first. We'll turn the radio up, then I can control it from the phone here, so I can turn it off quickly because you can't play too much music without getting a copyright strike. Oh, there you go. That's how you stream audio. Great system, fairly easy to use once you know how to do it.